If you've followed all the steps in this series, you've given yourself the best chance of building a well-designed application that solves a real problem. But there is one final thing you need to understand before you get to work in the XMPRO App Designer. XMPRO apps use dynamic real-time data. The XMPRO Data Stream Designer allows you to integrate to multiple data sources, apply analytics, initiate actions, and orchestrate the flow of data. That data then gets used by the apps you create in the App Designer. We won't be covering it in this series, but now is also the time to consider which XMPRO data streams you need to configure. And think about whether you have access to the right data sources that you'll need to use in your app. Using dynamic data also means that you'll need to create dynamic layouts. While this might take a while to get used to, this will save you a lot of design time. Let's say you want to create a page in the App Designer that contains cards showing the overall health for each of your 6 slurry pumps. In this simple example, the real-time data will come from a database. Now, instead of creating 6 cards for your 6 slurry pumps, you only have to create 1 card as the template. When you launch your app, that template will then get replicated for each row in your database. And if you add data for 2 more pumps to the database, your page will automatically show 8 cards. Now that you understand how to design layouts for dynamic data, it's time to turn your wireframes into XMPRO apps. For a detailed tutorial on creating your first app, watch the How to Create an App video. If you have questions or you need any help with setting up your apps, please reach out to us at support@xmpro.com.